today's video we will learn CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol. This is a very important topic for CCNA and for network troubleshooting. We will understand the concept and also run commands in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start the Cisco Packet Tracer. So in this video we have taken 4 switches. These all are the Cisco switches. CDP also works on only Cisco devices. So first of all, we have to know the what is CDP. CDP stands for Cisco Discovery Protocol. It is a layer 2 proprietary protocol developed by Cisco. This means CDP works only on Cisco devices. And CDP helps us discover directly connected Cisco devices automatically. It reveals information like device name, port ID, platform model, which model is the neighbor, and the capabilities it is router or switch, and also show the OS version. This is extremely useful in troubleshooting when you don't know what devices are connected in the network. So it is very useful to troubleshoot. Now we will know how CDP works. CDP works on layer 2 using multicast frames. It sends out updates every 60 seconds to the other devices and holds information for 180 seconds. It does not require IP address because it works on layer 2. So CDP versions are there are two versions. CDP version 1, basic information, it provides basic information, and another version is CDP version 2. It includes duplex information and VLAN information. By default, devices run CDP version 2. So let's try some CDP commands. So we will open the CLI for the switch. First enable. Now we will run the command show CDP. So when we run this command, it shows the CDP packets sending every 60 seconds, and also show the hold time value of 180 seconds, and it's also showing the version. Now there is another command called show CDP neighbor. CDP neighbors. So it will shows the neighbor, which is neighbor, it shows the switch is the neighbor, connected via fast Ethernet 0/1, hold time 144, capability. Here are the short forms written here. S for switch, and the is model showing 2960, and connected via fast Ethernet 0/1. And there is one another command, shows CDP neighbor detail. So you can clearly see it's showing all the detail of the CDP neighbor. Cisco IS software, showing iOS model and version. So let's try on this, because this switch has two neighbors. So it will show details about two neighbors. So we will also run the same commands here. Enable. So it is very useful to troubleshoot. It shows the neighbor, which neighbor device is connected via Cisco device. Now we'll run show command. Show CDP. Enter. See here, it's showing same CDP neighbors. It will show two neighbors because there are two neighbors. See here, one this and this is one. It's showing hold time 174, model number, port number, and which device connected to which port. Like so, this is the CDP command used for to troubleshoot. And we have to note that for security reasons, CDP should be disabled on interfaces going outside your organization, like WAN links, ISP links, or DMZs, because CDP reveals detailed information that attacker could use. And in this video, we learn everything about CDP, its purpose, commands, and configuration. If you want more videos like this on LLDP, STP, VLANs and routing, comment below. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And